Good morning children, Shanushanarthi. Let's solve next problem from exercise 6.3. Second one, observe this figure. It is a triangle children, one exterior angle they given. Okay, exterior angle will be equal to interior angle because these two will form vertically opposite angles. Two line segments meet at a point. Okay, these two will lines intersect, then vertical and opposite angles will be equal. Then y is equal to 80 degree we can consider. First I considered here y is equal to 80 degree because vertically opposite angles. Okay, and one more thing, we know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degree. Substitute here children. First x plus y plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree we have to write, and then the y value we have to write here. X plus y is equal to 80 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. When you add 80 degree plus 50 degree, we will get 130 degree. X plus 130 is equal to 180. Then x is equal to transpose 130 to the right hand side. Minus 130 it will become 180 minus 130 gives 50 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 50 degree. Next figure you observe children. Here exterior x plus y together 180 will be children. Adjacent angles of a triangle both together will be 180 degree. And one more thing, exterior angle will be always equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, and then all the three interior angles together 180 it should be. Okay. We know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Then y plus 50 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. I have written y plus add 50 plus 60 110 we will get, which is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to transpose 110 to the right hand side minus 110 degree it will become. Y is equal to 180 minus 110 degree, which gives 70 degree. Now you got y is equal to 70 degree. Means y you got, only x you have to find. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. These two are the interior opposite angles children. Then x is equal to 50 degree plus 60 degree. X is equal to 110 degree. Next one children, observe this figure. Y plus x plus 30 degree will be equal to 180 degree because sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degree. And 60 degree one exterior angle they give, x is equal to 60 degree. Okay, right here x is equal to 60 degree, vertically opposite angles. We know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Then x plus y plus 30 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Substitute the value of x children. X is equal to 60 degree you got right here, plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then 60 plus 30 gives 90 degree, is it? Y plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Transpose 90 degree to the right hand side minus 90 degree it will become. Y is equal to 180 minus 90, which gives 90. Therefore, y is equal to 90 degree. Observe one more figure here children. X and y, they not give any angle here, but one exterior angle they given as 90 degree. Okay. Here y is equal to 90 degree, vertically opposite angles. We know that the sum of interior angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. Then x plus y should be equal to 180 degree. Already y is equal to how much you got? 90 degree. Then x plus x is 2x. 2x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Transpose 90 degree to the right hand side. 180 minus 90 degree it will become. Then 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. 2x is equal to 90 degree you got. X is equal to transpose 2 to the right hand side children. 90 by 2 it will become. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Then x is equal to 45 degree you got. Last one you observe children. Triangle, all the three exterior angles they given as x, x and x. Okay, only one interior angle they gave as y. Means clearly here y is equal to x we can consider, is it? Right on. Here clearly y is equal to x since vertically opposite angles are equal. We know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Then I will consider it as x. This one also as x. X plus y, okay, will be equal to 180 degree. You already considered y as x children here. The same thing you write here. X plus x is equal to 180 degree. Like term addition. 3x we will get is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to transpose 3 to the right hand side, it will come to the denominator. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 0. Then x is equal to 60 degree you got. If x is equal to 60, y is equal to 60. Because x is equal to y you considered, is it? Therefore x is equal to 60 degree and y is equal to 60 degree here. Next exercise, first question. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? First one, 2 cm, 3 cm, 5 cm they given. Children, you know already property. If sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, then we can form a triangle. Means we can construct a triangle. Here let's observe all the sides are greater than the third side or not. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It became equal to 5 here. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, which is greater than 2. And 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, which is greater than 3. These two we got greater, children, but here we not got. Means here 5 is equal to 5 it has become. Here sum of two sides of a triangle is not greater than the third side. So it is not possible to have a triangle with the given measurements or with the given sides. Let's solve next one. 3 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm they given. 3 plus 6 is 9, children. 9 is greater than 7. Okay, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, which is greater than 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, which is greater than 6. Okay, here all the values you got are greater than the third side. Means sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Here the property holds good. Here sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So it is possible to have a triangle with the given measurements. Next one, 6 cm, 3 cm, 2 cm. 6 plus 3 is 9, which is greater than 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, which is not greater than 6, children. Okay, I written 5 is less than 6, it has become here. Then 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, which is greater than 3. We can't construct the triangle. Here sum of two sides of a triangle is not greater than the third side. So it is not possible to have a triangle with the given measurements. Next question, children. Observe this given figure. PQR is a triangle. O is a point interior. They have considered one point in its interior. Okay. When we joined OR, OP and OQ, three different triangles, here it has become. Means OPQ triangle, ORQ triangle and ORP triangle. Three triangles are there. Okay. The given question. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. They said us to take any one point in its interior. Then is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ? OQ plus OR is greater than QR? OR plus OP is greater than RP, they asked it. Means if we considered any one point in its interior and when we joined it, the sum of any two sides of a triangle will be greater than the third side. Then OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Yes, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Because OPQ triangle, if you consider OPQ triangle, these two sides will be definitely greater than the third side. Means sum of these two sides will be greater than the third side. In the same way OQR. OQR triangle you consider. OQ plus OR, when you will add, it will be greater than the third side. Yes, OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Next, third one also. Yes, OR plus OP is greater than RP. Means OR plus OP is greater than RP. Okay. Since the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Next question. AM is the median of a triangle ABC. ABC triangle, children. M is the median of this triangle they given. Is AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM. Means this median they draw natural from A, from this vertex to the opposite line, that is BC. BC midpoint they have considered and they draw a median. Let's solve. Given AM is the median of a triangle. AM is the median of a triangle ABC they gave. So M is the midpoint of BC. It has become the midpoint of BC. And AM divides triangle ABC into two triangles. Now it has become two triangles natural. Triangle ABM and AMC. Okay. We know that sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Any two sides when you will add, it will be greater than the third side. In triangle ABM, ABM triangle you observe children, AB plus BM is greater than AM. Okay. In the same way, another triangle let us consider AMC triangle. Here MC plus CA is greater than AM. Okay. Let us consider this as equation 1 and it is equation 2. On adding equation 1 and 2 we get AB plus BM plus MC plus CA. Both we want to add children, which is greater than AM plus AM. 2 times. Okay. Then BM plus MC children, these two I have put bracket. BM plus MC plus A. Remaining all the terms as it is I have written. AM plus AM is 2AM. Okay. Here BM plus MC is equal to BC. Because observe this figure. BM plus MC is equal to BC. Is it? Then AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM.